Hello, TechnoPoint family. I hope everyone is well. As always, we continue to recommend and review the best on this channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Today on our YouTube channel, introducing the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey OLED G9 TV, a gaming monitor that redefines immersion and performance in the gaming world. With its expansive 49-inch curved OLED display and lightning-fast 240 Hz refresh rate, this behemoth delivers an unparalleled gaming experience that's sure to captivate every gamer. Immersive gaming experience. Step into the world of gaming like never before with the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. Its 49-inch OLED curved display, coupled with a 1/800R curvature, envelops you in the action, pulling you deeper into your favorite games. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense firefights, every moment feels more immersive and exhilarating. The 240 Hz refresh rate and 0.03 ms response time ensure buttery smooth gameplay with minimal input lag, allowing you to react faster and stay ahead of the competition. Say goodbye to motion blur and screen tearing. The Odyssey OLED G9 delivers unparalleled clarity and responsiveness for a truly immersive gaming experience. Stunning visuals and vibrant colors. Experience games like never before with the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9's stunning visual performance. The QD OLED panel delivers breathtaking detail and vibrant colors, bringing your games to life with unparalleled clarity and realism. From the lush landscapes of open-world adventures to the intense action of first-person shooters, every scene pops with vivid detail and dynamic contrast. The 32:9 aspect ratio provides a wider field of view, giving you a competitive edge by allowing you to see more of the game world at once. Whether you're spotting enemies from afar or admiring the scenery, the Odyssey OLED G9 ensures that every moment is unforgettable. Blazing fast performance powered by the Neo Quantum Processor Pro chip, the Odyssey OLED G9 delivers blistering performance that keeps up with even the most demanding games. Adaptive Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium. Pro technology ensures smooth, tear-free gameplay, while VRR tech guarantees a seamless experience for NVIDIA GPU users. Whether you're racing through the streets of Forza Horizon 5 or battling demons in Doom Eternal, the Odyssey OLED G9's high refresh rate and low response time ensure that every moment is smooth and responsive. With its elegant design and futuristic RGB lighting, this gaming monitor is a true masterpiece that's sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. The Odyssey OLED G9's built-in speakers aren't the greatest due to their overall thin sound. That said, I've heard worse monitor speakers. While the audio quality could be better, the speakers can get fairly loud, with little to no distortion even at high volumes. So if you find yourself without a pair of the best wireless headphones, you won't have a horrible experience using the OLED G9 speakers. Just don't expect a rich audio experience. Upgrade to the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey OLED G9 TV and experience gaming like never before. With its immersive display, stunning visuals, and blazing fast performance, it's the ultimate gaming monitor for enthusiasts and competitive gamers alike. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to follow all technology-related products and short, useful information. We love you.